Welcome. Today we're going to talk about Cold War. The Cold War is the conflict that existed between the United States and Soviet Union from 1946 to 1991. It is called cold because the two sides never went to war directly with each other. The five stages of the Cold War was the First Cold War, fluctuating relations, the Tente, Second World War, final stage of Cold War. Some causes of the Cold War were Soviet Union supporting communism while USA supporting democracy. Both countries were afraid of each other. America didn't agree with the Soviets' part with Germany during the Holocaust. And Soviets feared atomic weapons.
Independence in Africa and Asia. There was no one process of decolonization. It was peaceful and orderly. In many others, independence was achieved. Harold Macmillan, British Prime Minister, helped begin decolonization. Decolonization was affected by superpower competition. It significantly changed the pattern of international relations. A few newly independent countries acquired stable governments almost immediately. Others were ruled by dictators for decades or endured long civil wars. During imperialism, the industrializing powers of Europe viewed the African and Asian continents as reservoirs of raw materials.
Glasnost and perestroika. In Russian, the word glasnost has several meanings, such as policy of openness in the activities of state institutions and freedom of information, and also inadmissibility of hushing of problems. During Russian Empire, the word glasnost was associated with the reforms of the judicial system that permit attendance of the press and the public at trials whose verdicts had to be known read out loud.
Perestroika, program instituted in the Soviet Union by Mikhail Gorbachev in mid of 1980s to restructure Soviet economic and political policy.
The economic bureaucracy, freeing the loss of its power and privilege, obstructed much of his program, seeking to bring the Soviet Union up to economic par with capitalism countries such as
Germany, Japan, and the United States. In 1988, a new parliament, the Soviet Congress of People's Deputies, was created. Similar Congress were established in each Soviet republic as well.
Thank you for